Behold, this is the other freight elevator at the Salisbury University Commons Dining Hall in Salisbury, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator like the other ones outside. So I'll go down first. Oh, I think these lanterns don't work. Basement. Door. Oh look, this elevator is kind of big. Your basement. Let's go ring the bell. Man, I don't think this doesn't work. Let's go up to 2. It's open. Close. What's the motor? One. 2. Catering. Let's go back to let's do a cab view. Man, this service elevator is kind of big here. It's kind of the basic cab, you know. It's like whoopsie low ceiling. Certificates here. Emergency phone button. Capacity is 8,000 pounds. Let's go back to 1. Oh man, looks like the lanterns don't work. Oh, nice motor. Is there one? I feel like the GL fixtures almost like the ones outside. Let's set this elevator for years since I first videotaped. To close. That's it.